A number of new laws just went into effect in California on July 1st. They include laws aimed at strengthening the rights of victims of gun violence and others which target retail theft rings. Devin Fehely explains.
The most ambitious of the new laws, authored by Assemblyman Phil Ting, enables victims of gun violence to sue gun manufacturers or stores if they didn't follow California law, for example, by not performing a background check and selling a gun to someone who otherwise would not be eligible to buy one.
What we need to do is make sure that the law is there to fight for ordinary people against these gun manufacturers who really have taken no responsibility for putting all these weapons of mass destruction on our streets.
The new law is patterned after similar legislation in New York and is likely to face legal challenges by gun rights advocates. But Assemblymember Ting says he's confident it will stand up to legal scrutiny.
This has been held up in court. In fact, this law is based on different court proceedings, which really says that states had the right to hold gun manufacturers liable.
Another new law targets large retail theft rings. Specifically, it takes aim at the people who sell the stolen goods online, requiring them to disclose bank and other personal information to online marketplaces, thus making it harder to offload the stolen merchandise. And yet another new law seals the criminal convictions of felons 4 years after they complete their prison sentences. The information would still be accessible to law enforcement and to specific employers like schools. Ting says he believes the new gun law will bring much-needed accountability.
Too often, these guns get in the hands of the wrong people. And really, this is about the victims of when those guns get into those hands, the victims saying, hey, gun manufacturers, we want to hold you responsible.
One gun advocacy group is already suing the state over the new law, calling it unconstitutional. The National Shooting Sports Foundation claims the governor signed the law in defiance of a decision made by the U.S. Supreme Court, which lifted most state laws on carrying guns in public.